is celebrated annually in India on September 14 to honor and promote the Hindi language. The tradition began in 1949 when the Indian Constituent Assembly declared Hindi in the Devanagari script as the country's official language. This decision was made to choose a widely spoken and understood language for unifying the nation after independence. Hindi Day highlights the significance of the language and encourages its development. Various events such as essay competitions, poetry readings, and discussions are held to promote Hindi. The day is observed with enthusiasm across India every year. On September 14, 2000, Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee addressed a joint session of the US Congress, becoming the fourth Indian leader to do so following Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajiv Gandhi, and PV Narasimha Rao. Vajpayee's speech marked a significant moment in India-US relations, highlighting shared values of democracy, freedom and equality, and setting the stage for a stronger strategic partnership in the 21st century. His address deepened the cooperation between the two nations and gave new direction to their bilateral relationship. On September 14, 1989, Tika Lal Taplu, a 59-year-old Bharatiya Janata Party leader and a Kashmiri Pandit, was murdered in Srinagar, marking the start of widespread violence against the Kashmiri Pandit community. This violence led to the migration of about 97% of Kashmiri Pandits from the Kashmir Valley over the following years. Taplu, also closely associated with the RSS, survived an earlier assassination attempt on September 12, but was killed by 3 terrorists outside the J&K High Court. His death sparked a wave of fear, with mosque announcements calling for Hindus to leave or convert, deeply affecting the Kashmiri Pandits and reshaping the region's social and political dynamic. Lord William Bentinck, born on September 14, 1774 in Britain, served as the Governor-General of British India and was instrumental in abolishing the practice of sati. Sati involved widows being forced to commit suicide on their husband's funeral pyres, a practice widely condemned as inhumane by Indian social reformers. Determined to end it, Bentinck enacted the Sati Pratha Prohibition Act in 1829, making sati illegal and enforcing strict legal measures to eradicate it. His efforts were successful, leading to the gradual end of the practice, marking a significant social reform in India.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
On September 14, 1901, President William McKinley, the 25th President of the United States, succumbed to the injuries that he sustained after being shot on September 6, 1901. He was attending an exhibition in New York when Leon Zolgos, an assassin, approached and shot him twice. Despite being taken to the hospital for treatment, McKinley's health deteriorated and he passed away at the age of 58. Zolgos was arrested, found guilty and sentenced to death on October 28, 1901. On September 14, 1959, the Soviet spacecraft Luna 2 made history by being the first man-made object to impact the moon's surface. As part of Soviet Union's Luna program, Luna 2 was designed to study the moon and demonstrate Soviet advancements in space exploration. It left visible clouds of sodium gas behind it, marking its path. This event marked humans' first successful impact on the moon. Later, on April 12, 1961, the Soviet Union further advanced the space exploration by sending Yuri Gagarin, the first human astronaut, into space.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe. From the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts, find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels, and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.